So in this video, we are going to be looking at floor work with hip circles, which is really, really awesome, really fun thing to do. If you've got bad knees, this probably isn't going to be the video for you, but otherwise you can always get some support like a yoga mat or a pillow under your knees or knee pads, if you own knee pads. So let's get started. Please warm up first before you see we've got so many videos to choose from, there's no excuses. Otherwise, we're going to start with some standing circles first, just to identify what kind of circle we're doing. So legs nice and wide, and we're going to start off with hip slides, sliding the hip from one side to the other. So pull the tummy in, as in, I don't want you to pull it in, I want you to slightly contract. So in my school, in our school, Minister BellyDance school, we always talk about this as a halfway tummy pop. These are tummy pops where you contract the tummy muscle. You want to be halfway engaged so that you're strong in your core. Then you keep the chest lifted, knees are nice and soft, and we slide the hips from side to side. So where your hip is, your weight needs to be. So if I slide this way, all the weight's on this leg, then all the weight's on this leg. 1, 2, and soften the fingers, soften the arms, so there's no tension in the arms or the fingers. Okay, good. Tummy engaged. Keep the feet on the floor. Don't let the toes lift or the heels lift. Just slide from side to side. Okay, we're going to turn it into a circle. So side, forward, past my toes, side, past my shoulder, back. When I go back, I tilt slightly. Okay? Side, forward. So this, in our school, we call this an exterior hip circle because it's outside and using the body to do the movement rather than the muscles. Of course, muscles are working. And in my school, in Minister BellyDance school, we would call this the interior circle because it's all led by the muscles. It's called an ummy. We do exterior. Okay? For the purposes of this class and this video, exterior hip circles. So keep the circles going. If you had pens on your hips pointing at the floor, you'll be drawing a circle around your feet. Okay, so big circle on the floor around your feet. Big circle. Okay. Alright, so we're going to bring our legs to the front. Keep going with this one, just while we get the hips ready, so you be aware of what kind of circle you're doing when we go to the floor, if you choose to go to the floor. So in my school is also online in this crazy lockdown era that we're going through. You can actually train with me properly online. So with YouTube it's all good because it's mini tutorials like this, but if you want to make proper progress and learn properly and effectively, then you need to come to my online school via my website, where all my classes are actually courses. So you go from one week to the next, you make progress, and then there's all the different levels. So it's like earning your belt, black belt in karate or whatever. Like you go through the phases, through the grades, and you get your belts. The same in my school. We go through each level, and there I have my own syllabus and my own structure for each course. So you can come in and learn, and no 1-2 courses are the same. Every single course is different. So a lot of my students repeat the same level over and over again because there's so much to learn. But we make a lot of progress. So if you want to learn properly, come to my online school. Reverse a circle. Circle goes nice and around, nice and loose and free. Okay? And breathe. All my music that I use in all of my online videos and my streams, live streams, are also, it's made by Tribal from the Trap. Tribal is in Tribal Fusion. So Tribal from the Trap. If you have any problems, look in the description and it should tell you and give you a link to the music. The music is available everywhere. So if you are a dancer, a performer, a teacher, or anybody who uses music in your streams, it's license free. So you can use the music without any problems with that. So Facebook and YouTube won't block it because the license is free. So we can all use it, which is beautiful. And there's loads and loads of really awesome pieces of music that you might really just enjoy listening to, even if you're not somebody who uses music in their live streams. Okay, I think that's enough of that. So let's come to the floor. Okay, so as I said before, you might need to have something supportive for the knees. So whether it's knee pads or a yoga mat or a pillow or something like that. I'm going to suggest you start with your knees hip distance apart. We're going to start with hip slides. Okay, and I would like your toes to be like this, not like this. Okay, so we have it away. We'll start off with hip slides again. So let's float the arms out to the side. In our school, Minister BellyDance school, we call this classical position with the arms. I want you to imagine your hips are going further than your shoulders. Okay, but you want to keep your head, and of course you're kneeling on your knees so you can't move them, but your knees and your head stay in the center. And the hips go side to side. You pull the tummy in, and we really work from the muscles. So in my school, we really focus on working from the inside out. We dance from deep within. We want to dance from the very depths of our being, which is more than just dance. We talk about a lot of this sort of concepts in my school as well. But anyway, you want to dance from the inside out. So we're trying to drive the movement from deep within and engage every muscle that we can think of. And we're really using our obliques, which are these babies here, side muscles. There are other muscles we're using as well. And then you want to be in a halfway tummy pop. So keep going with your slides, don't stop. I can have my belly all hanging out, and I'm going to have no control over my body whatsoever, which is very dangerous for belly dance in particular because of the nature of the movement. So I encourage you to start, so we call this belly pops in my school. You want halfway belly pop, that's a contraction in the belly, and you maintain it. So you're strong in your core. And we keep the chest nice and lifted and the shoulders are down. So our posture is very active. We're never just hanging out, which also means you're working your whole body when we're dancing. We're working everything. Okay, so 8, 7, 6, and follow me on all of my social media because I'm at the moment, especially in this crazy lockdown era and time, I've been offering a few live streams, free classes live to train with me. So you should follow me on all of those so you can see the updates and join me when you can. Okay, all over the world people are dancing with me, from my students from my online school and people who I know all over the world. So you should join us too, it's a lot of fun. Okay, now we're going to do this circle. I'll face a few different directions so you can see, but if I start here, then my hips go, you're not going to get to go too far forward, otherwise you're going to hurt your back. But I go side, front, side. Now this is the bit you really want to concern about, is the back part. When I go back, I crouch, and then I come back up. I'll face the sides. It's more important that you see this from the side. So I have my knees hip distance apart. Too close is going to be too much pressure for your knees. So make sure it's not too close. Play around with your position. I go to my left, I go forward. I don't get to go too far forward actually because I don't want to put any pressure on my lower back. I go to the side. When I go back, I sit my bottom almost towards my heels, but I don't actually touch the heels. And then I go again. Up, round, and I sit towards I sweep across my heels, and I come forward. Now look, I'm not slouching. It's really ugly, right? Agree? Do you agree? It's really ugly. No one wants to dance like that. So you have to keep the chest up. When I go to the back, I kind of do a fold. I kind of hinge from the hip. And then sweep past the heel. Forward and sweep. I will also face the back so you can see. I'm going this way first. Go side, forward, side, sweep the heels. Forwards and sweep. And circle. And rise. And circle. And rise. Okay? Let's go the other way. So now I'm going to start this direction. There we go. Side, back, side, front. Engage the tummy all the time. No slouching. If you're brand new to this sort of stuff, your thighs might be really hurting. Oh well. It's good for you. It takes a bit of strength work to do floor work. So I have loads of strength. I have a strength training series as well on my YouTube channel. And on my Insta page as well. So if you go to my Insta TV, I've got lots of tutorials there as well. Not only strength training, but all sorts of stuff. Okay, so let's now place our hands on our chest. I'm just going to keep the hands out of the way. I'll do another video for you later with some stylization. But for the moment, I want you just to focus on the hips. So, if I go, let's go side front, side front. So side front, side back, side front, keep your shoulders down. Let's do 3, now reverse it. Go forwards, 1, dip, 2, 3, reverse it. I'm going to face the side so you can see, 2, 3, I'm going to reverse it. I'm going to swing back to the screen, 1, 2, tummy engaged, Now it's very important that you don't feel anything in your spine. Never. You never want to feel anything in your spine, ever in life, not alone when you're dancing. It is not a good thing, okay? Look after your spines. This is why in my school we really dance from our muscles, and I teach you all about your muscles and where you're moving from and how to get the best out of your movement, not me, but out of your movement, because we're all different. So it's very important that, to me, that we learn together like that to get the best out of your own body. I'm going to face the back and we'll do it one more time. So 3 circles one way, swish to change direction. 5, 6, I'll use my hands on my hips for this one to make it more clear. So I go round the back, forwards, 2, 3, swing, reverse, 1, posture, 2, 3, reverse, one more step, 1, 2, look off your back, 3, reverse, 1, 2, 3, and reverse. Okay, finally, we give it a little bit of stylization without any arms, and we're just going to take our hands and just ruffle up the hair. So it doesn't matter how long or short your hair is, just get your hands in and can close your elbows slightly. Okay, we'll do the same thing. 3 and 3. I'm going to start this way and I'm going to go backwards. Let's start with some slides. Engage the tummy, so halfway tummy pop. And if you're my student already, you know exactly what that means, okay? Halfway in and engage it. You'll be nice and strong. 4, 3, 2, smile, and we go. 1, 2, 3, reverse it. 1, enjoy it. 2, dance it, give it some flavor, give it some personality, and change. One more time. 1, 2, 3, reverse. 1, 2, and 3. Let's stretch out our quads. So well done. I hope you enjoyed that. Floor work doesn't suit everybody, okay? So don't be mad if it's not really your thing. Quad stretch. So legs together and bring your knees together. Hold onto a wall if you need to. And now I'm going to bend my supporting leg. Keep my knees side by side. If you can't feel a stretch, you want to push the hip forward slightly. So you stretch further down here. Pull the tummy and lift the chest. And breathe. 4. If you want to make it more belly dancey, we can add some arms. If you can balance, okay. For 3. If you want to go further, it changes the stretch slightly. You can try to raise the foot. Bit of a yoga pose or yoga balance. For 4, 3, 2, and in. Let's change legs. So you bend, knees together. Okay. If you can't feel a stretch yet, you push the hips forwards to get a stretch down the front. Hold on to a wall or something if you need to balance. So remember, if you want to train properly, come to my school, my online school. We have lots of fun. Yes, so check it out, it's melissabellydance.com. Okay, and now we push, optional. This might be enough, stay here. Otherwise, try to take the foot away, and we grow. It's a bit of a yoga pose. It's actually a completely different stretch, but it's optional. And you breathe, and you stretch. For 4, 3, 2, slowly in, and a little stretch for the back, so we just tuck the chin in, and roll down. So I like you to contract inside the body, so you're really releasing through the back. And you go anywhere, so if you can't reach the floor, you can just stay here, but really try to round off the back. Otherwise, you can reach the floor if you can. And I like to alternate my legs. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Roll up. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Your legs might be a little bit sore if you're not used to that sort of stuff tomorrow, but oh well, never mind.